Friends, get ready. We are going to turn this Dollar Tree Tealight into Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks for coming back. All right, so we have this wooden snowflake. I'm going to cut it so that you can have, I just need two of the flake parts, I guess. But see, that's the part we need. Then I have this Tealight from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint the wick part or the flame part red with chalk paint, but then I'm going to wipe it off. Then I'm going to do some chalk paint, and I'm using a dauber, and I'm going all over with the brown. Forgive me, I think it's like Savannah or something like that is the color, but I'm using a dauber because then we don't have brush strokes, which I love, and it gives it a little bit of a texture, which I also love. I made sure to let it dry. If you're going to do two coats, make sure you let it dry really well in between coats. And look, you can use the little flame part and put your other finger on the bottom, and then your fingers don't get messy. You're welcome. All right, excuse me. Then we're going to paint our snowflake piece, and this is Java chalk paint. I did both sides. Now, I'm using some Velcro. Now, and it's a sticky back Velcro. I know it sounds crazy, but my first thought was, what if we want to change the battery in the Tealight? I know, it's a Dollar Tree Tealight. Who does that? I wasn't really thinking clearly, but that's okay. So I put the Velcro on our antlers, and then I stuck it on the back of our Tealight. Now, in my defense, this worked out because it buffered it. It kind of lifted it a little bit, and so it made it so that it stuck out and was able to adhere better. All right, so one way you can do this, if you wanted it as an ornament, is you can put ribbon on it. But if you're going to do this, you have to put the ribbon going up the antler. And the reason why is because the front is too heavy and it'll pull it down and it won't hang nice. But if you do it this way and you glue it so that it goes against the antlers, it actually works. So there's that. And look how cute. I added some eyes, and all I did was I'm using the back of a paintbrush and some black paint, and I'm just doing long ovals. That's all I'm doing. Easy peasy. And then once that was dry, then I added some little dots with, I think, a bamboo skewer. And then the back of another brush I used just to add even more personality to our reindeer, our Rudolph. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. All right, so then I decided, for me, I like having a magnet. So I put a magnet on the back of our antler, and then I put some glue on it, and then I glued it to the back of our Tealight. This way, I think, works the best. Look at how cute. And then we could just put it onto our refrigerator. How much fun is this? I can't. Stop. Look at how cute. Then I thought, you know what, at the end, I'm like, you know what, let's dress up our Rudolph just a little bit and add just a little cute bow. Or you could make it a Clarice and put the bow at the top, but I put the bow at the bottom. And stop it. Just quit it. Look at how cute this is. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.